Okay, so sometimes when you're dividing, you're going to have to put zeros into your numbers. So for example, I have 2 and 45 hundredths, and I'm going to divide that by 0 and 7 thousandths, or just 7 thousandths. So I need to make sure that my dividend is a whole number, so I'm going to move the decimal point over 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And here I'm going to move this one over, I'm going to move it over in the dividend 3 times as well. So 1, 2, and I don't have an extra number, so another number, so I need to add the 0 to make 3 times. You can't just move it over without adding the 0. So my new problem is 7 divided into 2,450. Now you have a whole number division problem. 7 divides into 24 3 times, subtract for 35. 7 divides into 35 5 times, subtract for 0. 7 divides into 0 0 times. Another example, one more example of zeros in decimal division would be 78 hundredths divided into 15 and 6 tenths. So I'm going to move my decimal point over. Multiplying by 100 is what I'm doing here, but I'm moving my decimal point over 1, 2, and then here 1, 2, add the 0. My problem is then 78 divided into 1,560. I'm going to estimate that 78 divides into 156 2 times. And when I multiply this, I see that it goes in exactly, and 78 divides into 0 0 times. So those are the times. There will be other times, but right now those are the two examples I have for dividing, putting zeros into your dividend in division.